Hello guys, in the previous lecture we have already installed the Go version, Go language in on the Windows 11. You can see that I have 1.2.61 version installed, and in this lecture we will look at the basic Hello World example. So for these I have created the file and the program already. So in the Go language, we give the file extension dot go, and you can see there is many statements are there. Okay, so there is we define the package as main. We created a function. This is a function which has main name. Okay, so and this line what is does it is just display the output on the console. So let me build the program. So in the Go, the command is Go has just like Go version display the Go version on the console. There is one more command Go build which create the executable application. Okay, let me execute this command. You can see, yeah, there is one more file created, hello world.exe. Let me execute this program. This is the executable file. So executable can be directly run without uh, uh, any other or commands help. Okay, like in another language we use the Python interpreter to execute the program. It doesn't work. It doesn't in same as in Go language. You can directly execute the program, so it is compile time. Okay, just like in Java, use the JVM. So to execute the program, it doesn't need any runtime here. Okay, and let me execute the file, and you can see we have, so yep, our program is working. Let me explain the something about the Go language. Like uh, while building the program, Go always look for the two things to create the to build the executable application, to build the executable file. Okay, so one thing is it look for the package main, and also it look for the main function. If just like if package main is don't exist, like I have changed the package name to main test, and let me delete this executable file. Now again build. So you can see there is no executable file created in this time at this time. So so it is to create the executable file, you have to um, uh, specify the main package. Okay, means which file you are building, it should be in the main package. It is the basic criteria. And one more thing, let me revert the package name again to again main. One more criteria is that there's a main function should be there. Like if the package name doesn't have any main function. So let me again rebuild the file. Now you can see it is giving the error that no main package, no main function is available. You can see in the before, if main package was not available, it directly ignoring the build. But it right now we have the main package, but the in main package we don't have any main function. So you can see it is looking for the main function, but there is no main function is available right now. So you have gained the basic understanding, like what the two main things are we need, main package and a main function. Okay. Okay, so I think you have got the basic idea for the creating the basic program. You are basic to create the executable program. You have to focus on the two things. Okay, so I think now we have we have concluded. I have explained the this simple program. In the upcoming lecture, we will work on the most. We will look at the many concept about the Go, like it's what keywords are available, what operators are available, what data types are available, and we will see the more complex program than this. Okay, so that's it for today. Yeah, thank you.